guys, I'm back. Oh guys, I tried to go to Merrim supermarket and I lost. Come and fly away with me. Guys, good morning. Happy Saturday and 30. So we gonna do our hanging clothes. We're gonna clothes, no towels. So here is, I need to this is it. Ang sunny. Sunny guys. The sun is hurting my eyes. I'm hungry. But what would... Hello? Oh, la. Oh, kuan is not good. It's dark. It needs to... I'm planning to change house. I'm planning to change house, but I can't. I cannot afford. I can afford if I don't have students or I don't have children go school. You know, I planted also yesterday spinaci. Look. And I hope it's become good. In the Philippines, I will do plants also. Potatoes. So now, Soon I will go to Aldi for some food, guys. I am editing from my video yesterday. Drinking our coffee. Happy Saturday, guys. Yeah. Reasons. I like it. Especially it will be in a salad. But I also eat. So see you in a bit. I will prepare to go to Aldi. I'm Lubat.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm back. Oh guys, I tried to go to Merrim supermarket and I lost. Guys. So I will find. My God.
A few moments later.
I see an egg here. Oh, I don't know if he is broken. Kuratan ako igat. So karon pa taning abot, no? You see. So moari sa ta sa garden. Here I will gonna harvest later. See, it's going. It's big, huh? It's big onions, guys. White onions. So karon lang jud ta. We just arrived from Antwerp. I lost my way looking for that Merrim supermarket. What is that?
One hour later.
We're hungry and we're gonna cook the spinaci. Okay? Be with me. I have a lot of fugasun. So we use this oil for fritten. For fritten. And then we're gonna use this. Wait. Onions from the farm. Fresh from the farm. You know, fresh from the farm. Oops. So, but I heard some music. So cooking, guys, cooking. Spinach. No meat. I just want this alone. Kaayo, so let's go it. Langga, humanata og kaon. We just finished eating and now we are going to wash our plates. See? See that?
One hour later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and time check is 11 p.m. and I fall asleep and yeah, I transfer upstairs. We're gonna go sleep, but before that I would like to say thank you to my channel members and supporters. Thank you very much. And to my Bigo gifters, Mystery 777777. Thank you everyone, and tomorrow we will going to harvest our white onions and red onions. So I will gonna show you Sunday vlog. So see you in the morning. Babush.